Welcome to OrangeTee Market Pulse. I'm Christine San from the Research and Analytics Department at OrangeTee & Thai. This video aims to share some property insights and the latest market developments that may be of interest to you. Today, I'll be sharing the latest market performance of the private residential segment for the fourth quarter of 2020. Last year, the private residential market outperformed expectations, despite the pandemic and global economic uncertainties. Based on the latest data released by the Urban Redevelopment Authority, or URA, prices of private homes rose 2.1% quarter-on-quarter, the steepest quarterly price increase in more than 2 years. Last year, private home prices rose for 3 consecutive quarters, registering an overall increase of 2.2% for the full year. Prices rose across all market segments. Sales volume was also stronger last year. In 2020, about 21,000 private homes were sold, higher than the 19,000 units transacted in the preceding year. Of this number, 9,982 new homes were sold last year, surpassing the 9,912 units sold in 2019. The resale market also saw higher demand last year, with transactions surging 19.9% year-on-year. The strong sales could be attributed to a number of factors. For instance, ample liquidity is circulating the system due to the massive quantitative easing programs launched by governments around the world. A good portion of the stimulus has flowed into real estate markets around the world, thus pushing private home prices higher. Attractive offers were dangled by developers, while sellers eager to offload units were more open to price negotiations. Interest rate is at a record low. Many who were sitting on the sidelines have decided to make a purchase now. Singaporeans bought more private homes last year, and the proportion of non-landed homes reached 82%, which was almost a 20-year high. Local buyers have also bought more luxury homes. Mainland Chinese remain to be the top foreign buyer of non-landed homes. This was followed by Malaysians, Indians, Indonesians, and Americans. Mainland Chinese buyers preferred to buy condominiums in the suburban region, especially districts 19 and 16, and city fringe area like districts 5 and 3. There were also many mainland Chinese buyers who bought luxury private homes in districts 9 and 10. The pandemic seemed to have reversed a decade of rampant growth in rental demand. The total rental volume fell 13.4% in 2020. Rents have also dipped 0.6%, while occupancy rates slipped to 93% last quarter. The weaker rental market can be attributed to the rising unemployment among foreigners and strict travel restrictions. However, the situation may improve this year as travel restrictions may begin to ease with mass vaccinations. This year may see the market swinging back in favour of sellers as supply of new homes are expected to drop this year. The collective sales activities came to an almost complete halt in 2018. Government land sales have also been conservative over the past years. The number of unsold units may be nearing its peak and may start tapering soon. The declining supply may help prop up prices this year. We may expect demand for private homes to remain resilient this year. Buyer sentiment is likely to improve further as the global economy is expected to grow this year. Overall, private home prices may rise further by 2 to 5%, and more private homes are expected to be transacted. I hope this video has been useful to you. Please tune in to our other video series and visit our social media. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again. I'm Christine San. See you in our next episode. Till then, take care and God bless.